Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now I've got a special treat for you today. I've got three things on the list today. First one is we're going to repot this big Tanuki, Juniper Tanuki. I bought a Walsall pot from the ladies at Heathrow Bonsai Show. Really nice cream one. I'll show you that at the end when it's all in the pot. And we've sorted this tree out. It's a really nice pot. So thanks to the ladies for creating it in the first place and being there to let me buy it. Lovely pot, really nice. The second thing I want to talk to you today about is Gandalf. Now, a friend of mine, Darren, from something Bonsai, Meadowview Bonsai, he has bought me Gandalf's stuff. Sean, his name is, and it's Scouse Bonsai. You've probably all heard of him. If you want him to come to your club and do a talk about these ingredients that he's got to help your trees, I don't quite understand what it's all about, but I'm going to read up on it and I'm going to use some of these today. There's a kelp, there's fulvic acid, there's humic acid, CalMag, tech grade amino acids, and B vitamins. So they come with little spoons with little measurements, so you can literally just take a tiny bit of it and put it in your foliar feed, and you put it alongside your you feed it alongside your normal regular feed. So we're gonna give this a go. I'm not going to bore you and show you what to do because I'm not quite sure myself. I'm going to have to read all about it and get the right measurements in the thing. And then once I've done that, I'll show you what we do. Basically, you just spray it like a foliar feed and water it like you would do normally. But I think this bloke is absolutely brilliant. Word is that this stuff really does help. And it really does, you really do notice a difference in your trees. So Daz has given me this now so I can get one feed in before the end of summer or end of autumn, and then pick it up again in the springtime. So we're going to give this a go. So thank you very much, Daz, for buying it for me, and thank you to Sean Gandalf for selling it. I mean, hopefully the proof will be in the pudding, and it will be a really good thing to have and use on your trees. So that's another one that we're going to do today. And I'm going to do another repot today. The other day when we were at Heathrow Bonsai Show, Stefano Baglia, who you would have seen on Xavier's video doing a little interview, he's been making plastic pots from one of those makers. So he's bought me, he made this pot for me, and I haven't quite got a tree to go in it yet, but when I do, I'll show you what I do with that. I'll put a tree in this pot for him. And the third thing is Alex Braunton. He bought me this lovely little pot for my birthday in August, and it's a stamped one. It's a well-known one. I'm not sure what it is. I can't read what it says. It's a Walsall little pot. It's one of their special ones. They're the ones they don't make very often. So I'm going to put a nice black pine in there, and nice little baby black pine in there. So we're going to do that today as well. So I think we'll start with the little black pine and then we'll get on to the bigger tree. So let's get going. So right guys, just gonna clean out the weeds from this tub here. It's really proper overgrown. Been on my roof, so been really overgrown. So I'm going to dig this little black pine out. Hopefully hasn't got too many roots, and I can get it out nice and easy. Doesn't seem to be that easy. I think there's a lot of roots from the weeds. So thanks very much to Alex for buying this tree, this little pot for me. Absolutely brilliant of him. Really like the little pot. It's not something that I've ever gone for, is little pots. I do like my big trees. That's where I am at with my trees. I like the big ones. So we've got quite a few roots on there. Probably too many to go in that little pot. So I'm going to chop them down. So I've got to chop them down. To about there. And I'm just going to go back in with the same little soil, the same old soil, because I know the soil's good and the tree likes it. There we go. Nice little black pine in that pot. What I'm going to do is get a little dish and sit it in a little dish with some sand, and that way it won't go so dry very quickly. So I'm going to be able to keep it alive that way. So there's my first little one. Thanks very much, Alex. It's a lovely little birthday present. Thank you very much. And she'll enjoy looking after this little thing, this little fella. So that's that one done. I'm gonna get tidied up and then we're gonna get on with the big one. All right, so here we go, guys. Just tidied it up a bit, taken the wire off. I'm gonna try and get this out in one piece now. Well, that worked out quite well. So I wasn't going to do a full repot. I'm not going to do a full repot on this. I just want to get the main bulk of it off, and then we're just going to put it back into a much larger pot, and we'll let it grow on from there. Just a little bit of a scrape out. Nothing major. I'm not going into the roots at all. A little bit of a shake. Seems to be a little bit moist, this. So I'm going to calm down on the watering of it, and we'll get it into this big pot first. So let me show you the pot. There we go, guys. There's the new pot. It's much bigger. I didn't want it too big, but I do think it's slightly too big for the composition, so I'm going to have to look for a slightly smaller one. But for now, and letting the tree grow out and all the rest of it, it's going to be absolutely perfect for it. So I'm just going to get a base layer in here. And then we're going to transfer this tree over. Let's step back and have a look at this. You can go over to the left a bit, right a bit. I think that's about right, that is. Just going to get it tied in. So there you go, guys. There's a quick little repot video for you. Thank you very much to Alex again for this little pot. I'm going to, hopefully this black pine will do really well in there. And if you guys want to know more about the Scouse Bonsai and his formulas and what he does, then the link's there. Go and search him out and find out what you can do with it. And thanks very much to the ladies at Walsall for making this pot and for letting me buy it. It looks really good with my tree, so I'm very pleased with it. Could do with a little bit smaller, but that's not anyone's fault, you know. It looks absolutely lovely. So I'm going to leave the video there, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Ta-da!